Hello and Assalamu alaikum. The content of today's video is that if there is any other search engine like Google, Yahoo or Bing in the search engine of Google Chrome, how can we transfer it to Google again? Let's see it through today's video. Let's get started. So first of all, open the Chrome browser and you can see that in my search option Yahoo are there. So we can change it, right? Because Yahoo search engines, it's not too much flexible for us, but if we use in Google, so it's very easy to us, right? So you can see that in the right side 3 dots are there. Press there, a pop-up box was open and you can see that settings options are there. So press the settings and a new tab opened. So in the left side you can see that the search engine, so press the search engine and the page open. Here what did computer says? Search engine used in the address bar. On the right side Yahoo. Right now in the search options Yahoo are there, so we need to change it, right? So here a icon are there. Press the icon. What was that? Google, Bing, Yahoo. So we need to change it in Google. So press the Google options. Okay, our work's done. So cross the page. No need to cross, just press a new tab and ta-da, Google search engines are there. So by this way we will change it. Don't be worried about that if our search engines will be transferred to Yahoo or Bing. It's easy to change Google. Thank you to our new video. Hope you will stay with us and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.